all know that the American car manufacturer Ford is working on the new Ford Endeavour, which will not be a facelift. It will be a next generation update. And I have a car news regarding the Endeavour, and I'm sure that the fans will be happy after hearing this news. So the Endeavour has been spotted for the first time testing the next generation Endeavour, but the design is hidden. The body styling is clearly revealed, and now we will have an idea how the car will look. But because of the camouflage, we can't see the design properly, but we have some clues. The new Ford Ranger's design also has been revealed, and we know these both car looks the same. At the front, we'll get to see new chrome grille, which is almost square shaped, along with a new LED projector headlamps, and the front lights will receive a new split C shape. Below we have a new squarish fog lamps with an air intake, and a new bumper will also be available. If I talk about the bonnet is really high and it also helps the car to look muscular. At the side, you will first things first notice the new alloy wheels, which are finished in black. But in India, you'll 100% get to see different alloy wheels. Then the shape or design of the windows will look similar, and the length will also be increased, including the height and width, and you could also see high ground clearance along with a roof rail. Other elements are covered, and you will get to see rest of the parts later. And it clearly shows you will get a new rear design, new boot design, etc. There will be new LED lights with LED indicator, because even the Fortuner now gets it. So the new lights will come along with an LED indicator, which will enhance the overall car, and there will also be a roof integrated rear spoiler. So the overall car looks very muscular and athletic. Plus, Ford tried their best to give this car the Endeavour stance and looks. The current Endeavour is offering a 2-liter engine, which is small according to a car like Endeavour, but this time you will get to see 3-liter new engine or a 2-liter engine, and it will share the powertrains with upcoming Ford Ranger. 10-speed manual or automatic gearbox will be included, and along that you will get to see hybrid technology. This car will also be fully packed with features like automatic emergency brakes, 360-degree parking camera, bigger touchscreen, connected car tech, advanced drive assist system like the MG exhauster, etc. And you will still get to see auto park assist, electric tailgate, panoramic sunroof, etc. And that's not it. This car will also be built in a new platform, just like the Ranger's one. Ford will add more variants in this car, and the sports edition will be continued. Now, talking about the launch date, you can expect this car to come by end of this year or next year. It will make its international debut, and it will make its way to India, and I can't wait to see on Indian roads. So that is it for today. If you like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.